I'm going to be making the stuffed avocado. It's like a breakfast dish. I've never tried it before, and I thought I'd give it a try today. Alright. So basically what you do is you take and you cut an avocado in half, and you're going to put an egg in the middle. But my half is kind of off there, huh? Never said I was an avocado cutting expert. So now what you're supposed to do is take some of the flesh out of the avocado, enough to fit the egg. I don't want to take too much. Okay. It's not quite centered. But I think that will hold my egg, maybe a little more. Okay, and I'm putting my avocado on this plate. So I have my pit here. I'm going to take my avocado, because avocados are expensive. So I'm going to take it off of the seed as well. Alright, so I got that one done. And I'm going to do this one. Okay, I was better at that one. But I think I need to do a little bit more. I want to make sure my egg can fit in here. Alright. Alright, so the avocado and egg are to go together in a 425-degree oven. So I'm going to go ahead and move them to this pan. Alright. So I'm going to put them to the side so the side kind of cradles them a little better. Alright. So I don't like my egg yolk whole, so I'm going to poke a hole in it, maybe a little bit more than a hole, before I put it in. Alright, so here's seeing if my, nope, wasn't quite big enough. I got more egg yolk left. Ooh, it's pouring out. Let me try this again. They make it look so easy in the other videos. I think it's because they keep doing outtakes. They have outtakes. And I'm back. Now I'm going to try this again. Okay. Alright, now let's put these egg yolks and eggs in here. Alright, that's all that's going to fit in that one. Let's try this one. Maybe they use smaller eggs in other videos. Now it's just egg whites in there. No room for the yolk. Gonna make it fit. Alright, so since raw egg touched this, I don't want it to go with my other parts, so alright, now let's see if everything fits. Alright, it fits. Maybe that's what I need to do with this one, take some more out. Okay, so you basically have to pretty much hollow it all out. At least for this one, unless they're using some monster avocados. Okay. Oh, still spilling. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this one. We don't really like egg yolks that are just cooked like that. So, alright. So I'm going to put this in the oven. I think they said for like 15 to 20 minutes. Alright. Wish me luck. It's still spilling out. Alright, let's try this now. Alright, so my eggs and avocado are done. And I'm kind of mad at myself because I forgot to season. Season my eggs and avocado. And then all my seasoning went right here in the one little spot. Yuck. It's going to be a salty spot. Okay. So let me get this plated up. I'm going to take the little one. There we go. Kind of stuck to the egg that spilt. Oh well. Alright. Let me put this to the side. Oh, before I do, let me take some of this cooked avocado. I have to say I've never had cooked avocado, so I'm going to try that first. It's not bad. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I don't know what I was thinking. I've never had cooked avocado before, so I was a little concerned. Alright, so let me get some of this egg and avocado. I guess maybe one trick to this would be to use small eggs as opposed to large. Okay. It tastes mostly like cooked eggs. A little buttery tasting with the avocado. Okay. That's not bad. Some people do put cheese on it. I don't care for cheese on my eggs. That's just my personal preference. So there's my plate. Alright, so here is my baked avocado. I got a couple strips of bacon, a couple toast points with avocado. So I made avocado toast with what was inside there. So there's my new age avocado toast breakfast. So never had this stuff before, but it's not bad. It's pretty good. So anyway, Let me know, would you try it? Have you tried it? What did you think about it? You know, so this is my breakfast for today. Please remember to subscribe, to like and share this video, and thank you for stopping by.